my favorite spot to fish today. So I am going to be smallmouth fishing, I'm going to be bluegill fishing, and in fact the first part of this video I'm going to be fishing a lake, which is only about 30 minutes from here, that holds the Tennessee bluegill state record, which is 3 pounds. So I was there earlier today. I caught my PB bluegill there, so mission accomplished there. They're known for their bluegill. That's what I went fishing for, and that's what I got. I did not get to fish this part up here, which is the best part to fish, because the current was so strong that I had made 2 or 3 attempts to make it up here in my kayak, and I couldn't do it. I rested up and did a 3rd try trying to get up here through the rapids, or the current really, and I finally made it. So I finally got up here to the really good spot. Without further ado, guys, let's go fishing. There's the old bridge. That's very cool. That is a lifesaver in the sun. Oh my God. I think we made it. Woo! I am out of breath. Woo! Woo! Got one! Woo! Oh my God, it's a big one! Woo! Look at that big old white bass. Big old white bass, I guess. All right, let's put this big boy back in there. Uh-oh. Woo! Baby smallmouth, look at it. So cute. There he is. So freaking cute. Ready to go back. There you go. Smallmouth. Little bluegill. Got the fish, got the fish, got the fish. Yes! Yes! Woo! There he is. Got one! Woohoo! Starting to feed, I think, so they're kind of going to be moving up into these rocks where those minnows are. The minnow one. Big whirlpool right here.
Good cheese sticks. It's like fish cleaning station here. That's pretty neat. There you go, $6. Ooh, that was a good one. Oh, I got a good one. Oh yeah. What is that? That is a feisty bluegill. Holy crap. Oh, it's a monster. Oh, yes, look at that. Freaking monster. Guys, I think this is the biggest bluegill I have ever caught. This is what I came here for. Third fish. Look at that. Look at the head on him, and he's got a bulbous head. That's crazy. 13 ounces. 13 ounces. Right at about 9.5 inches. About to put him back in the water. Beautiful fish. Some fish in the hot summer. Getting one of these umbrellas. It's awesome. They're like 30 bucks, I think, at Academy. This one's a sports umbrella. They have the Versa umbrella. They're 30, 35 bucks. I've had this one since last fall. I've used it a lot. And when it comes to the sun beating down on you, I mean, it just can't be beat. You don't do good with wind, probably about over 5 miles an hour. Got him. All right. There we go. Not a big one, but it's one. Nice looking healthy fish. Not a monster. This up here looks like a good spot. Bunch of trees overhanging. A lot of shade. Don't look like the spots under those trees would get any sun at any part of the day, so we're going to see if we can get close enough. Oh, there's little bugs too. I don't know if the GoPro's picking that up, but there's little bugs flying around everywhere, so that's a good sign. I'm going to put this gulp minnow on a bobber, I think. Oh, got one. Oh, that's a nice one. Woohoo! What is it? All right. What? Oh, another big one. Holy crap. Dang, look at that. I don't think, no, this one, oh my goodness, this one is not as big as the other one, but holy crap. Beautiful. Oh, he's peeing on me. Sorry, buddy. Quit. Oh, shoot. He literally, I'm squeezing the pee out of him. Man, this place has got some huge bluegills. That's what I came here for. Look at the head on that bluegill. I mean, he's got that bulbous head. Here he is, guys. Look at that big old head on him. Nice big bluegill. Let's let him go. I love how they turn colors in the water. Look at them. They just glow. Go ahead and refresh our bait. Be good. I try to cover my hook up. Some people think that doesn't matter. I know one time last year I was out in my kayak and I was fishing some very clear water, and I was literally fishing right below my kayak, and I was watching these bluegill look at my worm, and I didn't have a whole lot of worm on there, so I just kind of, they literally were not wanting to hit until I covered that worm up all the way, and then they started to hit it. So I've also fished with worms on jig heads, and I have literally sat in one spot and caught nothing. Once I changed that jig head out and put just a regular hook on there that didn't have a jig head, I started catching bluegill. So I don't know if that means that they don't necessarily like those jig heads. I know it's a lot more natural looking without them, so that's what I try to do. Got him. That seems like a smaller one. Oh, a little bit bigger than what I thought. All right. There we go. What is that, like number 4? Remember that fish was peeing on me? I think that's bluegill eggs in my boat. How nasty. Little bitty guy. What I'm looking for here. Alright, got another one. See what we got this time. Ooh, he's fighting. Look at him go. That's a little bit bigger than last time.
Well, what can I say? This has been an amazing day, and I am so grateful to live where I do, that I can be within a day's drive of so many beautiful places like this. This is my favorite place to fish. It's about 2 hours from my house. I try to come here 3 or 4 times a year, and it never disappoints. Had a hard time getting up here where the fishing's good because there's a lot of flow today, but I made it, but it cut my fishing short. Anyway, let me know, where's your favorite place to fish? What's your favorite fish to catch? And I will catch you guys on the next adventure.